Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name's Nic Clark, and today we're continuing our journey on the 4 parts video series of going through all 13 refurbishments that we've got going on at the moment. If you haven't watched that series here before, you can watch previous ones just up here. You can just click over here. We're going to be looking at 3 properties today, and let's jump into it straight away. So this property currently in the moment is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property. We're converting this to a HMO. I won't actually disclose exactly how many bedrooms we're going to be converting this to. I just want you guys to look at future videos from there. So make sure that you've hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well, so you guys can actually see what we're doing on this. But effectively, everything's got to get stripped out. Chimney stack is going to have to come out as well, so that will need proper supporting and getting that sorted as well. Then moving forward, we've got obviously the stairs in the central. We're going to keep stairs in the center. It just works better for the flow of everything. But coming through here as well, we've got the chimney stack. This will get removed in here as well. Obviously we've got, I'm just using that storage in a minute. But we're coming in here to the kitchen. We're going to keep this as the kitchen, and we're going to also extend all the way through here as well. So we've got the bathroom at the original place at the back, and that's pretty much it for the ground floor. Let's jump upstairs and have a look up there. Okay, so we're in bedroom number 2, which is at the rear of the property at the moment. This is still going to stay as a bedroom. We will be adding an ensuite on with this bedroom. So very pink. Very, very pink. So should we keep the color or should we go white? What do you reckon? I think we should get rid of it. So let's jump through here. So a bit of a weird layout with this one at the top. So we've got a bedroom. Well, it's not really a bedroom. You can't class it as a bedroom because it hasn't got any light in it. So natural light, but yeah, basically they've tried to create a room out of it. Assume it was a storage room. But coming into here, we've got the front bedroom here. Chimney stacks are going to come out of here. Quite a nice sized bedroom actually, which is great. But we're going to be creating this with an ensuite as well, and really getting this moving forward. So let's jump into the second property in this series and see what's happening there. Okay, so we're on property number 2. So this is going to have quite a bit of transformation from when I last come into it. So let's jump inside and see what's happening. So we've got quite a lot of joinery happening at the moment. So we've taken out pretty much everything. So all the actual floor joists, original floor joists, everything you can see is all brand new. So we've got all the floor joists that are going back in. We've lowered the ceiling height from 3 meters down to 2.4, just so we can actually create extra room height, because we're going up into the loft as well and doing a dorm up there. So if you just have a look up there, we've got a second floor that's been created up there as well. So those are the floor joists for this second floor. We're going in and breaking through the roof, putting a dorm at the back, so that way we can actually create 2 bedrooms with 2 en-suites on the top floor as well. Okay. What we have done, if we just walk over here, is rather than actually dotting and dabbing the actual walls, we've done is we've created these actual wooden frames that's gone next against the actual wall. So it just makes it easier. We'll make all the walls are going to be square, because all the walls are going like that. And then what happens is we're able to just literally plaster walls straight over this. So it's going to be a nice and simple process as well there. So coming through here, sorry. Obviously we've got the rear over here, which is the original kitchen. So we're going to be breaking through here. We'll put a steel beam across there as well, which we're just going to open this up into a kitchen communal space. So kitchen all the way back there. We'll keep the downstairs toilet at the back there, and then basically kitchen communal all the way from here to about halfway through there. Let's jump onto the next property and see what we're doing there. Okay, so we're at property number 3 right now. Let's jump in. So this is just simply a mid-terrace property. 2 bedrooms. We're actually converting, well, sorry, we're not converting anything. We're actually putting this to social housing, so on a 5-year contract. So far at the moment, we've redecorated everywhere. There's still maybe a little few touch-ups that need to be done on the decoration. We've actually put in a new consumer unit with this as well, because the electrics weren't up to date, so we needed to sort that out. What we have done downstairs is just, as I said, decoration, cleaned up the kitchen a bit. We've still got the bathroom to sort out. So bathrooms to the rear of the kitchen here. It is quite a small kitchen, but it's going to be used for social. It's going to be perfect anyway. So this is kind of typical size for a mid-terrace property. In the bathroom, all we're doing is take the shower out. We're actually putting in a bath with a shower over it as well. So it just makes it more unison for, say, a family, if it's a family, or just a single person as well. But let's jump upstairs and have a look what's going on there. Okay, so we're at the top of the property at the moment with in bedroom number 2. So in here it's just been pure decoration. We've got the boiler just there at the back. But yeah, there's not much that has been done. Carpets have been ripped out. Used to be yellow walls in here, and also yellow downstairs as well. So interesting color that someone would pick. But we just made it all go white, which is great. So it makes a huge difference. Obviously got the boiler here. We're going to leave it here as well. So there's no point of us moving it. With it, the heating system's actually in really good condition. So I'm really happy with that. Then coming over here, we've got the front bedroom. Carpet's obviously been removed. We've had decoration, get it all sorted in here. So pretty much not much really left to do in here, really, apart from flooring. And then we've got to sort out the bathroom. Once the bathroom is sorted out, we can hand this over to the charity itself, so which is really good. So I'm really happy with that. Probably be another week and we should be all finished with this one. But that's it for this week's episode. So if you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell for any other further series we've got on this. Please head to jenicproperty.com if you want to profit from UK property with minimal time effort. We can book in a call with one of our team to see how you can profit from UK property, and we can help you on that journey. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Nic Clark, and I'll see you on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.